Hey everyone. We just wanted to give you an update on our friend Alvin. You might have seen him selling poto in the street.
Yeah.
And he's this amazing young man. We just got off a call with him. And he has one ambition or two ambitions in his life. The first one is to finish his degree in marketing and business, and so he wants to go back to school, but he's had to put that on hold because he has to take care of his ailing mother, and he's also supporting his younger brother. So his dream, as he said it to us, his mother is losing her vision, and he wants to graduate before his mom goes blind, so that she can see him graduate. And it's just really an amazing story that he has. Everything about him is incredible. And so we've selected him to be the first of hopefully many among the recipients of the scholarships that we're going to be putting forward. So Alvin, we're happy and proud to pay for the rest of your education, and we'll also be giving you a living stipend to help ease the burden for you and your family, so that you don't have to work and you'll have time to study, or at least you won't have to work as much, hopefully. So you'll have time to study and really focus on your studies. So
Yeah.
thank you so much for sharing your amazing story with us. And it is truly our privilege to help you.
Yeah, katuning ko anday nag-viral bitaw nga namaligya siya puto sa Cebu, di ba daghan nagtag sa ako aday. So naistorya na namo siya karon day nang kuan gipatiman na nako ni Elina among manager sa Cebu. Grabe ang story day, nahilak yung ko day na kuan ko ba nga grabe niya, maka-proud nga bata. Yung ko niya layo kay kang maabtan. Anak ko sa iya day mo nang kami magpa-eskwela siya hantud nga mahuman siya. Tabangan na mo siya, di na mo siya pasagdan kay grabe dayoy. So the person is the first our first scholarship nga mong natabangan karon diri sa Facebook. Maka-happy unta, daghan patag matabangan, daghan pa mig matabangan ni David. Yes, and sa iya pong mama day hapit na mawala ang kanang di nakahalos kakita iyang mama ba. So dalo na mo iyang mama sa ipa-check up na mo, amo ipatiman sa kuan, ipatanaw na mo unsay angay buhaton. Yes, grabe oy. Kuan ko day karon pa na mo nahuman ang call. Karon we just finished the call. So inspired ko sa iya. Grabe ang story day. Makahilak yung ikaw makadungog. Di na mo isalay sa tanan, pero proud ko niya kay grabe. 20 years old pa lang siya, pero grabe na niya ka hardworking. Wag niya pasagdi yung mama ang iyang isuon. Wala naman siya kuan good papa. So yes, maura today gitagalang ta mag-update kay naghan po nang utana nga unsa nay update. So nakita na namo siya, gipaatiman na nako siya ni Elina. So yes, nanatay na tabangan pang-eskwela, nakakita na ta sa atong angay tabangan sa first scholarship na mo karon nga mahantod mahuman siya college. So maka-happy, maka-proud. Thank you.